We'll be ready at the end, runway 07.
6 Angster to cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 326.
Airborne 36, contact Angster radar 120 decimal 8.
Decimal 8, have a good one, JetBlue 326.
9, RMP 7.
At 1519 Angster to good afternoon, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots.
Land 07, United 1519.
United 1519 arrive 43, vacate, flag taxiway Bravo. Contact ground 121.7.
217 via Bravo, United 1519.
Good day, United 223.
223, Angster to cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 24 knots.
Runway 07, United 223.
223, airborne 52, contact signs to radar 100.8. Have a good day.
0.8, have a good day, United 223.
Niner, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 15 knots.
07, United 1519.
Okay, 414 heavy on the approach.
So continue approach runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Right, 271.
One 519, arrive 41, vacate by taxi Bravo, contact ground 121.7. 4, wind 080 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land runway 07. 2 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots. And I will continue approach runway 07, aircraft vacating.
Continuing southwest 292. Hey, 114 is vacating Alpha.
14, arrive 44, vacate by taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Sorry, vacate Alpha.
4, vacate by taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
121.7, Tomjet, 114, thanks.
Niner 2, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 7, southwest 292. Thanks, ground. Tomjet 114 Heavy vacated at Alpha, and we are for stand 17.
114, continue taxi Alpha Echo Foxtrot to gate 17, monitor ground 121.7.
121.7, Alpha Echo Foxtrot 1. JetBlue 326 holding short of runway 07, ready for departure.
Sangster Tower, line up and wait runway 07.
Line up and wait runway 07, JetBlue 326.
China 2 arrive 47, vacate via taxiway Bravo, taxi Alpha to gate 2, monitor ground 121.7.
Oh, Alpha and monitor ground 121.7 to gate 2, Southwest 292.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 080 degrees 20 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 326.
Airborne 49er, contact sign for radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, JetBlue 326, good day. United 223, ready, runway 07. Hit again for United 223.
Runway 07, wind 080 degrees 15 knots.
United 223.
Tree, Airborne 52, contact sign for radar 120.8, good day.
United 223.
49er arrived 01, vacate Bravo. Continue taxi Alpha Echo Gate 16. One clear, monitor ground 121, decimal 7.
1949 is clearing on Bravo, taxi to stand 16, Echo.
121, decimal 7.
217, Delta 1949.
Fisher Tower, hello, we're Transat 518, cleared RMP approach runway 07.
At 518, Sancho Tower, good day. Clear to land, runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear land 07, check marks for Transat 518. Good afternoon, November Alpha, approaching runway 37.
Yankee Julian, November Alpha, Sancho Tower, continue to final runway 07.
Final 07, November Alpha.
Arrived time 07, vacate via taxiway Alpha, taxi Alpha Echo Fox, gate 13, wind clear, monitor ground 1217.
Okay, it's going to be Alpha Echo Fox 13-1217 for Transat 518.
Alpha clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots. Sancho Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Up and wait, runway 07, Southwest 293.
November Alpha arrived 11, vacate Delta Alpha to the RAM, monitor ground 1217.
To the ground, monitor ground 1217, November.
Tree wind 060 degrees, 19 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, Southwest 293.
Airborne at 13, contact radar 120.8. See you.
Southwest 293, see you.